Imagine seeing your drone even in the dark, through fog, or behind buildings. With AirHUD, that's now possible. AirHUD is a world's leading true heads-up display for drone pilots, a software that connects a standard drone controller to an AR headset. It brings flight-critical data directly into your field of view, live video feed, 3D map and distance to obstacles, and more. AirHUD is on a path to becoming a unified user interface for flight telemetry, radar data, and mission-critical information, all seamlessly visualized in augmented reality. From search and rescue to advanced beyond visual line of sight operations, the big map and bird's eye view provide a powerful competitive edge in missions. AirHUD gives pilots unmatched situational awareness and the confidence to fly with precision, even when the drone is out of sight. Your drone pilots get confidence to accomplish mission by visualizing important data in 3D. Never lose your drone. BVLOS CS represents AirHUD for professionals in the United States.